everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Smartwatch Reviews. Number 5. Apple Watch Series 3. .42mm with space gray aluminum case. Water resistant up to 50 m. Built-in GPS with dual-core S3 processor. Dual-core S3 processor and what goes for. Item weight, 1.26 pounds. An included inductive magnetic charger. Number 4. Fitbit Blaze.
Be your best and look your best with Fitbit Blaze, a smart fitness watch that tracks a variety of workouts. Get real-time stats with connected GPS and multi-sport modes. FitStar on-screen workouts help you build a better you. And Pure Pulse continuous heart rate lets you see how hard you're working. Fitbit Blaze keeps you focused, with activity stats at a glance. And with accessory bands and premium materials, it's the right style for any outfit or occasion. Whether it's a workout or a night out, you can be ready for anything. Get fit in style with Fitbit Blaze.
Use multi-sport tracking to track runs. See simplified heart rate zones. Quickly checking exercise intensity during workouts. Automatically record other workouts. Packed into one sleek timepiece. Enable connected GPS to map your routes. Number 3. TicWatch eShadow.
Hello?
Happy birthday!
Yeah, definitely. What time again?
Okay, Google, add more frosting to the shopping list.
I really think we should use this code.
Okay, Google, take a note. Mark M5204 for the entrance wall.
There's moderate traffic from your location.
Okay, Google, send a message to Miles.
Request a car ride perfect your golf swing. Your personal voice assistant. Android Wear 2.0. Get your favorite apps and watch faces. If you meet abnormal battery capacity, it is not the quality issue. 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. Number 2. Huawei Watch 2. the way. True sleep keeps track of light, deep. Monitor your heart rate. IEM sleep stages to make your sleep truly restful. Workout data such as recovery time. Item weight, 2.08 ounces. You can optimize power consumption settings. Number 1. Samsung Gear S3. A distinctive steel bezel that you can rotate, with millet-grade performance, extreme temperatures and the occasional drop. Compatible with Android and iOS smartphones. Item weight, 2.24 ounces. Refer user manual for troubleshooting instructions.